The Lunar Mop has a very soft bristled tip. It's rounded. Use it for a very simple seascape here. You can add a lot of water, white and blue. And see how much water it holds. It's a really nice work of creating these beautiful washes. You can add other colors in. Horizon line here in our water. I'm working wet into wet. And then I can use this brush, take the paint off of it and dab it into that wet paint and pull off some of the paint to create some clouds. And then here along the shoreline, I'm just going to tap to create some kind of wave-like. There's some sand color here. Probably could have done this beforehand. And then if I can get most of that moisture out of the brush, I can use it with some thicker paint. And it's probably best to let it dry before you try to do this, but I'm just going to try to kind of tap in here, and I'm going to tap in some white waves right along my shoreline there. Just stippling in over the top of that border. And you can also use it to kind of create some. It's a fun little brush. You can do all kinds of different things with it.